Gamesquare eSports Inc. So Gamesquare trades on Canadian Securities Exchange, not on Nasdaq or New York's exchange, or indeed all the other US exchanges. So that's why we're using Market Watch to see what's going on with the stock. So we can see that here it is saying that we have the moving averages. We have, let's show you here, we have the 50, 20, 10, 200 moving averages, and as things stand right now, we can see that as of the 25th or 26th of July, it broke above all its short and intermediate moving averages. That is the 10, 20, 50-day moving averages. It broke above them, and also sometime just on the 11th, not long ago, 11th of August, it also broke above its 200-day moving average. But that moving average is still declining. It's still sloping downwards, implying that the dominant trend for the stock is still a bearish one, and has as of yesterday the 16th, it rested on that 200-day moving average. So the stock appears to be showing strength within a longer term bearish trend, and it hasn't fallen below any of those moving averages since it crossed any of them. So that's some positive. And if it pivots from that 200-day moving average and begins to extend upwards, that would also be a positive. If it falls below that 200-day moving average and at some point again crosses above it again, that will also be construed as a possibly a continuation of the bullish trend that is trying to ensue here, that has been in place since the 27th, or rather 26th, call it 25th of July. So yes, that's an improvement. Some improvement is evidently here, so if you really want to buy this stock, you have to do so because you are convinced about it, and getting with funds you can always afford to lose, and if it rallies, it gains some value for you, and you're still very much convinced about it, you can just take out some profit and leave the rest and see how it goes. If it's not going well, then you take out everything and keep observing. If it comes down to a level you feel comfortable with, you can go ahead and buy it. So the fact that it is trading at 2 cents, might be an incentive. You decide what it is, the reason why you want to buy the stock. So indeed, price is usually an incentive. You buy it, and also I believe it's involved in eSports and all that stuff, and that's quite a popular genre in the world today. So if you get in there, because of the price, as I said earlier on, with funds you can always afford to lose. Just see how things go, and you will always build the experience, with by going in at all, So whichever way it is, it's going to be risky. You're probably going to lose money. You're probably going to make money, but if you invest, you will get to learn. You get to experience how things are going and see for yourself and begin to build more confidence. So I don't exactly have all the fundamentals, all the due diligence concerning the stock, but the fact that it is improving technically, you can evidently see that, even though this may not be the best time as such, because the best time would have been when it was down here, but maybe that opportunity has been lost, so there's no point talking about that. But there even seems to be an opportunity right now, even though as it is just resting on its it just cooled off and resting on its 200-day moving average, and it didn't really fall below that. So that might be construed as positive, indicating that it still has some momentum on it, in it. So by all means, if you want to get involved with sums you can always afford to lose, and see how things pan out. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video on Gamesquare eSports.